All righty. Next example, example 2. Let's see, where are my tools at? Over here. Ah, there they are. Okay. There we go. All right, get out of the way. Okay, example 2. Let's solve something like this. All right, so we start off with our procedure. Make sure zero's on one side. We're good there. Zero's already on one side. The next step is factor out the GCF. Again, the GCF is 1 in this example, just like it was in example 1. Now, our next step is to actually factor the left-hand side. And what I want to point out, which I wish I would have done in example 1, is because we have a 1 in front of this x squared, that's what I refer to as being a naked quadratic, we don't have to worry about doing the table time method here. We can just find the two numbers that multiply to the back end. We need two numbers that multiply to -2. And those same two numbers have to add to what's sandwiched in the middle. What's sandwiched in the middle? -1. Okay, now what numbers multiply to -2, but using those same lucky lotto numbers add to -1? Okay, let me see if I can get a different color here. Okay. Yep. Oh well, I would just have to do it all in black. Sorry about that. Yep, I give up. I give. Oh no, what's this? Let me see. Oh, all right, there we go. Nice. Okay, what are the two numbers that multiply to -2 but add to -1? If you said -2 and +1, you're 100% correct. Okay, let's check. -2 times 1 is -2. We're good there. -2 plus 1 is indeed -1. We're good to go. Okay, now how is this going to factor? Well, x squared is going to factor as x and x. And in the remaining spaces that we have in our parentheses, we're going to drop these lucky lotto numbers down. We have x with some space. In this first space, we can put our -2 because it's -2. That's what makes it -2, or that's what makes it -2 down here. This one is positive. We're going to drop down our +1 to give us a factor of x plus 1. And now we are almost home free. We just need to set each of these factors to 0 and solve each one for x. Okay, so let's do it. The first equation, x minus 2 equals 0. To get x by itself, we add 2 to both sides. That gives us one solution of +2. And our second equation, how would we get x by itself? -1 on both sides, right? Subtract 1 on both sides. Since that's a +1, to get rid of it, we subtract 1 from both sides because we want to undo what was done to the variable. Opposite of adding 1, subtract 1. 0 minus 1 is -1, and that's our other solution. All right, you can see that once you get the hang of these, they go pretty quick. Keep up the good work. Please get ready to watch example 3, and I will see you soon. Adios.